What is up? It's your boy Aing bringing to you guys a brand new freaking video, man. So look, listen, today we got a banger. Today we got a controversial one. We're gonna be talking about why I downgraded from a TRD Sport down to an SR5. Now, I've gotten this comment in my comment section a lot. Aing, why did you sell the Sport? Aing, why did you trade for a SR5? Bro, you downgraded. How could you do this? Clown emoji. Aing, why are you so dang beautiful? Guys, look, listen, I'll answer the fourth comment in a different video, but today we're gonna answer the first three. So if you're interested in this video, I definitely recommend you leaving a like, a comment, and a subscription because it shows that you support the channel. Not only that, I feel like this video will give a lot of people insight. So if you're new and you're interested in buying a truck, this is a video for you. I've gotten 4 different trucks, and well, now I'm here. So that's what we're going to talk about. We're going to be talking about what I was looking for, why I sold the Sport, kind of in reference to this because, well, we already know why I sold the Sport, and then if I genuinely feel like I've downgraded. So without further ado, let's get right into the video. Side note, a lot of people consider a downgrade just from one trim to another. I get it if it was gold, silver is the downgrade, but if someone wants silver and they don't want gold, is it really a downgrade? I don't know if you get what I'm trying to say. So first, let's talk about what I was looking for, all right? Let's talk about where I started my search, because you gotta start with the plan. You gotta know what you want. You're gonna be looking for a needle in a haystack, and when you find the needle, you're gonna be like, wait, is this the right needle? So let's talk about what I wanted. I wanted a V6. As you can see, I got the V6. I was looking for a 4x4. I got the 4x4. I was also looking for a Tacoma. So I got a 4x4, I got a Tacoma, and I got a V6. We're on a pretty good streak right now. I was looking for a vehicle with all 4 wheels. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Bada boom, bada bing. We are on a roll. So that's 4 things. I was looking for something in this vehicle that may be considered ancient, that may be considered a disgrace in a $40,000 truck. And that was a keyhole. I liked having a key. I don't know, call me crazy. It's just something different about turning on the truck with an actual key versus just pushing the little button. Another thing that I was looking for in this truck, it had to have Apple CarPlay. This truck, thankfully, has Apple CarPlay. And the color blue. I needed it to be blue. It marks off everything that I was looking for. You can get more things in a higher trim. You can get different things in a different trim, but it's not what I was looking for. So this marks off all the boxes. It gives me everything I want. V6, 4x4, 4 doors, 4 tires, a key, Apple CarPlay. We're chilling, we're good. That's all I needed. Everything else will come on its own. So now let's talk about why I went from the Sport down to an SR5, because I think that's where people think I've downgraded. I was 20 at the time when I bought my Sport. At the time, think about it, you're 20 years old. Do you still have the vehicle that you bought when you were 20? Let me know, I'm interested to see. I don't think many people do. I mean, I've only been driving legally since I was 18, so I kind of was trying to figure out what I wanted to keep long term. I bought an SR. It was a 4-cylinder with 2-wheel drive. I decided, okay, I don't like the 4-cylinder, let me get a V6 SR5. I got the V6 SR5 and I was like, okay, I don't have 4x4. Let me get a V6 4x4, and I was gonna get an SR5, but I was like, screw it, let me just go up one more trim and get that Sport. So I got the Sport, and I saw what it had to offer, and it had a few other things. I had been through the rings. I know what I wanted, I knew what I didn't want, and the SR5 is where I landed. So that is why. That's why I landed on a SR5. It had more of what I want than what I didn't want, I guess you could say, and I'm happy with what I've landed on. The engine is the same. The only thing different than mine and maybe the highest trim is I don't have a rear locking differential. Now let's talk about the question that has been brought up to us. Do I feel like I've downgraded? In my personal opinion, I don't feel like I've downgraded. I got more things that I want than I don't want, if that makes any sense. I like this truck. I don't feel like I downgraded. I feel like I can grab this truck and hold it for 5, 6, 7, 10 years, for a lifetime. Like it can be my project car for now. Once I build it up enough, it can be my daily vehicle, and then I can get another vehicle and hold this thing for a lifetime to come. And that's kind of where I'm at. I personally don't feel like I downgraded. Let me know if you've ever done that. You've gotten a higher trim and went down to a lower trim just because it suited your likings more. With that being said, I'm very interested in what you guys have to say, so please don't be shy. Let me know down below in the comment section. But with that being said, it's been your boy. I'm out like an Audi. I'll see you tomorrow. Cinco de Malo. Peace.